खाली चालू हो जाएगी कमेंट सेक्शन में। हार्ली भी चप्पल पहन के चला रहा है बोल के। बंद कर। A few days back on 9th of November I made a video where I said that my next video will be out just before I start my trip, but then the same evening, basically 9th evening, हमारे मोदी जी made a speech where he banned 500 rupees का note and 1000 rupees का note. I don't have 1000 rupees का note right now with me. I have deposited in the bank. He wanted to take an action against the black money, so I know for few days we have to suffer. In a favor with these changes, I do support these changes at a certain level. Dev was calling me.
Hello.
हाँ भाई, हाँ भाई. So let me tell you why I'm making this video. So I was supposed to leave for Kolkata. Yes, I was supposed to leave for Kolkata on 13th, but then due to all these changes, I have to postpone my plan. Although I have finished my 90% of the work, only few things are left. For that, I need cash because the limitation is just 2000 rupees a day, and that is the reason I never confirm dates on YouTube, because once you confirm the dates on YouTube, it is very difficult to undo what you have already done. And although I was very sure till 9th of November, but then because of that changes, there was a 0.1% chances that plan will get affected, and it got affected. So Goa will be on 30th and Bhutan will be soon after Goa. Probably the moment I'm back from Goa, I'll just rest here for 2 days or 3 days probably, and then I'll leave for Bhutan. जुगाड़ करना पड़ता है. By the way, this is my bicycle, which I usually ride in the winters. I bought this in Qatar like around 4-5 years back. I got it for 500 riyals, and which is like 7,500 Indian rupees that time. It is a Chinese brand. It's not an original brand. It's like Rocket. The name is Rocket. So yeah. Okay, so I am going to Jogeshwari, and from Jogeshwari I'll go to Bandra. I'm carrying this Dirt Sack Frogman saddlebag, which I reviewed a few days back. If you remember, if you don't remember, click over here. Freddy, my friend, and his friends, they are going to Bhutan on 16th. They have already sent the bike, so they'll be going by flight to Siliguri, and from Siliguri they'll be going to Bhutan. So he needs this saddlebag in case as a backup, so that if anything goes wrong he can use this. So I will meet Debu, I'll give him this. And what better way to ride an Activa and carry this? Activa is a perfect city bike. I mean, all the scooties, they are the perfect city bike. That's what I feel. I know some of you won't agree, but if you're in Mumbai, this kind of two-wheelers are the best. This ATM doesn't have crowd. वाह, कोटक में किसी को पैसा नहीं चाहिए. This is also crowded. So, अरे. This place looks always beautiful. I mean, look at this. Look at the view. Passed me in the reclamation, we were like, okay.
I'm on the way to work.
Where?
I'm working on stuff.
Oh, really? Yeah. Nice meeting you, buddy. Take care. So that was Quentin. Nice. I think he has changed the exhaust of this bike, and it sounds really, really cool. See?
कहाँ पकड़े?
बोट पकड़ा।
अच्छा बोट पकड़ेगा। किसको पर चढ़ो? ये तुम यार ऐसा गंदी गंदी बात कर रहे हो।
उसके बाद ऊपर लाना है।
ये पुल्ड बिकॉज इधर रिस्ट्रिक्ट ये ना पूरा ये पुल्ड है, जरूरत नहीं थी। देबू निकल जाता आगे, बट आगे आया देबू खींच गया। ये ही हैवी, ये हट गया अभी।
I'm riding Debu's bike for a very long time. Okay, riding this fat boy after a very, very long time. I thought I'll just take a small round and we'll show you around. So as you saw earlier, Debu's leg is twisted again because he went to this some village near Vihigao in Igatpuri, and while climbing the boat he fell down and his leg got twisted again. It was not his fault, so he's gonna be uploading that video in his channel very, very soon. So yeah. So the exhaust is getting really hot and all the heat is coming on my thighs. Oh boy, this bike is heavy. This bike is super heavy. But the headlight is strong, man. It's so bright, the head. Going towards the bandstand side, but I will go from this side, which is the Mount Mary side. And I hope I can make it there before the sunset. I hope, let's see. The traffic is really bad. Today is a Saturday evening and obviously okay, this is, I don't want to scrape. Going towards the Mount Mary Church. Bandra is really a cool place to hang out, cool place to live in. I've covered Bandra in my old vlogs, but still, you know, why not? It's a nice place.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hi.
Emmanuel.
Oh, Manuel. You messaged me once.
Sir, good evening. I'm Samosa Man.
So I just came to the Mount Mary side. Emmanuel. What's your name?
Steve.
Steve?
Amir.
Amir. Khan?
Amir.
Khan.
No.
So we are here near the bandstand. Left side is the Tajlands End Hotel. So my first accident ever in my life took place over here, opposite Shah Rukh Khan's bungalow. Over here, I was just overtaking and someone came in between. So towards my left is Shah Rukh Khan's house, Mannat. Shah Rukh Khan's fans all over. What if I act as if I'm going inside full confident that I'm Shah Rukh Khan?
I met few of my subscribers over here also, but unfortunately that time the... Hi. Really? Yeah.
This is Debu's bike, right?
Yes, everybody knows Debu now. You're like the 7th or 8th guy I just met over here in a small turn. I don't even meet this much amount of people in Powai only.
Post about your cycle today, right?
This is Galaxy apartment where Salman Khan stays. Okay, so back to his house. It was nice riding a Harley Davidson again, but thoda jal gaya thighs, but it was fun. And there's a lot of traffic today because today is Saturday. So Debu is here again. He has cramped or what do you call it? Damaged his knee again. Redamaged was the part I was looking for. You ordered braces, right, Debu?
Yeah.
He's ordered braces.
It's lying in US. I'm waiting somebody to go and collect it from there.
Yeah. So होता रहता है, क्या कर सकते हैं? Because he's very tall also. So the heavier you are, the harder you fall.
Heavy now?
The taller you are, heavy you. Okay. तो अभी scene क्या है? I did ended the video over there, and then I slept. Still editing the video. अभी scene ये है कि I just got a call while editing from people who are arranging my trip for Bali. Bali trip can happen very soon. Although they are not 100% sure because we have to check the availability of people who will be taking me out over there. So I was supposed to leave for Kolkata on 17th. Well, that was the plan. But now, because to do Kolkata and come back, I need at least 5 days. So if I leave on 17, 18, 19, 20, 21st, so I need 5 days. So if Bali is happening after 21st, then I'll be doing Kolkata, obviously. If Bali is after 22nd, I'll be coming to Kolkata on 17th. If Bali is before 22nd, then I will be going to Bali, coming back. Goa on 30th. After coming back from Goa, 2 days rest, and then I'll be leaving for Bhutan. Now I just spoke to Debu to go to Bhutan. Can I go via Kolkata? Because the plan was to go via Lucknow. Either I'll be going via Kolkata or coming via Kolkata. So now that is the plan. If anything goes wrong, anything can go wrong at the last moment itself. I'm just sharing you my plan because I'm just getting lots of mails, lots of messages from the lovely people from Siliguri, Kolkata, Lucknow, and even few people from Bhutan also. So I am overwhelmed by your messages and response, but I'm extremely sorry I cannot reply to each and all of you. That is the reason I am sharing this piece of information. Although it is not really advisable to share your plans much before they are 100% confirmed, but still I'm sharing it. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I will just end the video over here. I hope you like this part. Also, a lot of you, few of you or whatever, a lot of you like my vlogs on Activa or any scooty. So I have one of my friend who vlogs on a scooter, basically a scooty. I don't remember which scooty he has. His channel name is The Scooters Life. So if you're interested in scooty vlogs, you can check out his channel. So just check out his channel. If you like his channel, do subscribe to his channel. So as always, shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Don't forget to like this video and comment thoughts. If you think you can share this video with your friends, do share it with your friends. Why not, right? I mean, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to click on that ghanta icon, the bell icon, so that you can get my notifications. And bye bye.